Oh, I hope you're happy, but not you away with me. I'm selfish, I know. I ain't let you go. So find someone great, but don't find no one better. I hope you're happy. I wish you all the best, really. So when you love her, baby, it's just not like you love me. Hey guys, what's up? It's your boy Magnificent back here with your guitar interpretations, and today we're doing the song Happier by Olivia Rodrigo. So we're gonna have our capo on fret number 4, and we're playing this with basic chords, which I'm gonna show you how to hold. So yeah, just stay tuned for that. First chord is D, which is open, 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 2, 3, 2, right? And then we go to this is a B minor, which is X 2 4 4 2. Sorry, X 2 4 4 3 2, right? But you can play it as an open chord, which is open. X 2 open 2 3 open, right? So it's the same chord, right? And then we go to E minor, which is open 2 2 open open open, and then lastly we have an A major, open open 2 2 2 open. Oh, I hope you're, that's D, and then you go to that B minor 7, or play it as the B minor, and then you go to E minor, and then lastly you go to A. And my strumming pattern here is down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, right? And we're just cycling through the chords D, and then the B minor, and then E minor, and then lastly A, alright? And that's essentially what you're doing for the whole song, because the verse, the chorus, and I guess the after chorus, it's the same chords throughout. So you're gonna be playing those 4 basic chords for the whole song. And if you want, you can pluck the strings individually to emulate what they were doing on the piano. But there's an appreciation thing going on, so you can play. So D, you're playing 4 3 2 1. D, you're playing 4 3 2 1. And then for B minor, you're playing 5 3 2 1. And then E minor is the same. And then for A, it's gonna be 5 3 2 1. So for E minor, it's actually 6 3 2 1, because 6 is the bass, right? So it's 6 3 2 1, and then A, it's 5 3 2 1. And I think there's like there's a different set of chords right after the chorus. Let me look for that part. Don't find someone greater. Happy, oh, you're happy. So we're back at the first chorus. You were with me. I'm selfish, I know. Oh, I hope you're better. Okay, so the last, I hope you're happy, but don't be happier, is just an A. You just hold A until that part is done. And then you get into, and do you tell her she's the most beautiful girl you've ever seen? Or however she sings that. But yeah, that's basically it for the whole song, guys. Do subscribe to the channel For more content like this, leave a like and share the video if it helped you, and I will see you guys in the next video.